Hello everyone! We will learn today how to make a rainbow effect around text. This will be an uncut, unedited video, so bear with me if I do some mistakes. So the first step is to create a new file. We go to File, New, and we'll select, for example, 2048 by 2048 with a black background. The background color doesn't matter, but if we want to reproduce this exact effect, it will be a black background. After that, we'll create a rainbow gradient, so we'll go right here to the gradient and we'll choose the basic gradient, legacy gradient, and we'll choose right here the spectrum gradient, which is a rainbow. If you don't see the legacy gradient in your Photoshop, you have to add them. So for that, I will cancel right here. To add the legacy gradient to your Photoshop, you have to go to the Windows menu and choose right here Gradients. After that, by clicking on the little line right here, you can choose Append Default Gradients, and they will, not this one, but this one, Legacy Gradients, and they will be added to your Photoshop. So again, I go to Gradient, click right here and choose in the Legacy Gradients the last one, Spectrum, and I choose the rainbow just right there. So now it's from top to bottom. If I want it to go left to right, I hit 0 degree like that, so it goes from right to left or left to right. Second step is to write your text. So I go right here and click on my text, choose a nice font like Handsome Pro, for example, and I'll choose extra bold so that it is very big, and for that maybe 400 points right here. And I write something like my name, for example. The text can be any color, but if we want to be the same color as the background, we'll choose black for the text. So I'll click right here and choose black for the background. It's a little bit small, so I'll make it bigger by clicking on one of the arrow right here and making it bigger. Also, you can see that there is a lot of space between the two lines, so by clicking right here on the character window and double clicking to select my text again, I will change the leading to make it a little bit smaller. So I'll maybe set it to 300, it's too small, 350, too small again, so maybe 400, a little bit too small again, so 450, so that, oh, let's go to 500. Okay, that's good. So 500 is good. Second step is done, my text is written. I now have to make a selection with the text and apply it to the rainbow just right here. So to make a selection with the text, control click on the text layer. You can see that it has now a selection. I will go to the select, modify, expand, and expand the selection by about 15 pixels so that it goes a little bit around the text, like that. After that, there was already a mask in the gradient field, I will delete it, and create a new mask with the selection that I just created. So with the selection active, I go to the mask layer icon right here and I click on it. So you can see now that the rainbow is around the text. The next step is to make it softer. So you click on the layer mask right here, and with the properties of the layer mask, again, if you don't see the properties of the layer mask, go to Windows and choose properties right here. And with the properties of the layer mask, just increase the feather so that it goes the way you like, and I can click something right here to remove the box around the text, and you can see that there is now the rainbow effect around the text. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.